This is one of the best projects we are selling in Bahay Central Realty.
Located at the border of Las Piñas and Bacoor, this is Kathleen Place 5. Ang ganda ng units, elegantly designed with a proven layout and complete quality finishes. Just bring your things upon turnover kasi meron ng steel gate, modular cabinets in all rooms, and complete fixtures sa toilets and kitchen. KP5 is perfect for families looking for a good community. It's an exclusive 4-hectare project with 24-hour security and amenities such as a basketball court, clubhouse, parks, and playground.
Good day mga kabahay! This is Marian Binuya, licensed real estate broker from Bahay Central Realty. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Kathleen Place 5, Molino 7, Bacoor, Cavite. In this video, we are going to show you the actual turnover unit ng Kathleen Place 5. Halika, tripping tayo. So this is the outside. And as you can see, meron na pong gate sa labas. Steel gate. So kung titingnan nyo yung labas ng bahay, maganda tingnan. Kasi pare-pares ng gate. But you have an option to modify it eventually. By the way, this is the model unit. Pero ang papakita po namin sa inyo is yung actual turnover unit. Halika. Pasok po tayo sa loob. This is the carport. Good for one car. And makikita nyo po, meron ng faucet. Pwede nyo gawing pocket garden or kaya service area. And also, meron na ring outlet outside. Pasok po tayo. Before tayo pumasok, ito po pala yung door. This is made of steel. So, matibay siya. Diba? Okay, pasok po tayo. This is the actual turnover unit. This is the living area. That is the dining area. And that one is the kitchen area. So, dito po, may mga kasama ng outlets, also for telephone outlet, and also for lights. This is the dining area. Kasya dito ang 6-seater dining table. And this one, this is the kitchen. It comes with granite countertop and cabinets. Also, the hanging cabinets are included. And this one po, stove and range hood. Dito naman po, pwede kayong maglagay ng ref. This is the service area. And yung door po dito is sliding door. And when you open the door, you can close the screen door para po yung mosquito hindi pumasok. This is the service area or laundry area. So, may kasama na pong faucet. Pwede kayong maglaba. Okay. Mataas yung wall, so hindi mo naman makikita yung kapitbahay mo. And pwede nyo pong i-close, lagyan ng roof dito sa likod para hindi mabasa. Okay. Meron din po dito toilet and bath. So, if you have a maid or a helper, pwede dito gumamit. Or kaya for guests. Yan. So, it comes with complete fixture, sink, toilet bowl, and yung shower area. Tiles niya is from floor to ceiling. Diba? Ang ganda tingnan. Ngayon nga lang, madami kang lilinisin. Let's go upstairs. This is the stairs, and yung handrails po is steel, and yung floor is made up of ceramic tiles. And buhos po yung stairs, semento po yan. So matibay talaga siya. Hindi siya aanayin. Akit po tayo sa taas. Okay. This is the master's bedroom. And the partition is concrete partition. The door is flush door. Okay. And it comes with cabinets. Malaki na cabinets niya. Also, dito po sa master's bedroom, pwede po nating ilagay inverter type aircon. Sa master's bedroom, if you can see, high ceiling na po siya and with provision for pin lights. So, hindi mo na kailangan ng electrician para magpapalagay ka ng mga lights. And it comes with sliding door. This one. With sliding screen door. And when you go outside, this is the balcony. Mini balcony. So, dito po pwede kayong magkape. Sa Type A model, may balcony. But sa Type B model po, wala nang balcony. So, this area will be part of the master's bedroom. So, mas magiging malaki yung area ng master's bedroom. And this front po, magiging glass na. Halika, check po natin yung other rooms. This is the hallway. And here is the common toilet and bath. So, mapapansin nyo mga kabahay, malaki yung CR. And it comes with complete fixtures like sink, toilet bowl, and shower. And you can see po, mataas yung ceiling niya. And ang tiles from floor to ceiling. Ang maganda po dito sa toilet and bath, malaki. So, kasya dito ang bathtub. So, kapag fan kayo ng bathtub, like me, magpapalagay ako ng bathtub. Let's check the other rooms. This is the second bedroom. And it comes with cabinets. Sliding window. And meron na pong provision ng aircon. So, window type aircon. Okay. And let's check the last bedroom. This is the last bedroom. And it comes with cabinets. Sliding window. And provision for window type aircon.
KP5 is just 6.4 kilometers from SM South Mall and 4.8 kilometers from SM Molino. It's a 1-hour drive from Makati, and in cases na ayaw mo magdala ng sasakyan, there's a transport terminal right at the gate of KP5.
If you want to know more about Katin Phase 5, you can give us a call sa number below or you can visit our Facebook page and YouTube channel.